Dear students, there are three methods of measuring national income, and out of that, today we will discuss about income method. And you can say that that is the only lifeline by which our life goes on. And income method, what do we say? National income is the sum total of factor incomes. As you know that there are four factors of production: land, labor, capital, enterprise, and everybody gets their share in distribution as they work, as they contribute to the national income. So, it is earned by normal residents of a country during a year. During a year, here we are talking about the financial year that starts from 1st of April and goes till 31st of March of next year, by working both within and outside the country. All of us don't work in our country, some of us work in another country also, and for that first we calculate the domestic factor income, and for that is having these are the components of it. One is compensation of employees. Whether your parent, whether us, whether any other citizen of our country, whenever he works, he gets wages in different ways. First is wages and salaries in cash, means that is about the monetary income. Wages and salaries in kind, sometimes our employer give us some perks also, and that perks may be in the form of free medical facilities, accommodation, free education to our children. This is called as the wages and salaries in kind. And after that, some share is also there that is done by the employer side, that is social security scheme. It works as just like EPF or employees provident fund, and after giving or completing our tenure of working, we get pension on retirement. So these all are the parts of compensation of employees. Now we move towards, as I told you, that there are four factors of production. So another one is operating surplus. Wages already we have taken. Now what is left? Rent, interest, profit. Rent, that is earned by land. Interest, that is paid on capital. Profit, that is the share which the entrepreneur gets after employing all the rest of the factors. And profit is also having some parts of it. Profit of sole proprietorship, if you are the individual owner, then you will be earning. Undistributed profit, that we keep for the next investment. Corporate tax, that is paid on production, and dividend paid. These all are the parts of profit, and if in the question or in the numerical these are given as separately, we will have to join it together to get this operating surplus as a part of profit. Then third one means rent, wages, interest, profit. If anybody who is working on himself, he is coming as mixed income of self-employed, just as a doctor, a teacher not running or not working in an institution, but he is working independently. Okay, so that is mixed income of self-employed. And after that, these three factors give us the NDP at FC. As I have written, COE means compensation of employees, OS operating surplus, and MY is mixed income. In the measurement of national income, Y is term used for making national income, because I is meant for investment. And then when we add this NFYA, net factor income earned from abroad, we used to get this NNP and FC, and the common name for this NNP and FC is national income. So this is all about that, what are the components, what are the ways, how can we calculate the national income by income method. I hope you understood.